Fiji.
Government officials, ladies and gentlemen, youth and children. Bula Binaa, and a very good morning to you all. I'm delighted to be here with all of you this morning to celebrate the anniversary of our independence, Fiji Day 2016. What makes this day personally very special for me is the fact that our Madam Mistress of Ceremony stated, I went to school here. That was my classroom when I went to class 6. I'm a product of Savusavu District School. All across our nation, Fijians are coming together to remember our proud history and strengthen the bond between our people. In every division, festivities just like this one are taking place. Our banner of Fiji Blue is being waved in every corner of the country as we celebrate the 46 years that Fiji has stood as an independent nation. 46 years that we have been responsible for forging our own destiny in the world. This year's theme, Moving All Fijians Forward in Unity, is the same mantra that has driven Fiji's progress since the Bainimarama and Fiji First governments. It is based in the belief that we are stronger when we work together and when we find ways to involve all of our people in our economic progress and advancement. We are strongest when we celebrate our shared identity as Fijians, equal under the law and equally committed to moving our nation forward. That same theme is also deeply ingrained in our Bill of Rights in the Constitution. There, the basic protections that level the playing field for our people are enshrined for all time. And that is very much worth celebrating as a major milestone in our history. In the new Fiji, every member of our society is a part of our journey forward. That includes those of us who reside in isolated rural and maritime areas and those who are most vulnerable, women, children, the elderly, the infirm, and the disabled. No matter who you are, no matter where you call home, you deserve to be involved in our success and have access to the same essential services as anyone else. So all of us can raise our flags proudly and know with complete certainty that this nation and this government belongs to each one of us. The strength of the Fijian people has undoubtedly been tested over the past year. But that same spirit of camaraderie and unity that we can celebrate today also carried us through those trying times. When Cyclone Winston ravaged our nation, causing vast destruction, taking lives, and leaving many of our people on their knees, we came together like never before to care for those affected and rebuild the livelihoods that were lost. That work is still ongoing, and the resilient character of our people will help us reclaim what was taken and emerge as an even stronger nation. In the midst of this tragedy, we also experienced triumph when our Rugby Sevens team took Rio by storm and won our first ever Olympic gold medal. Watching our boys sweep the competition aside and take their rightful place as Olympic champions was one of the most exciting moments in Fiji's history, and something none of us will ever forget. It was a strong statement to the world of Fiji's ambition and of our ability, and it was a statement to all small island states that our small size is no limit to finding success on the world stage. There's no doubt that the optimism that victory gave us has carried with us through these past months, and it will continue to inspire us in our collective effort to uplift our nation. So truly, whether facing challenges or reveling in victory, this past year has shown that there has never been a time where we can be more proud to call ourselves Fijian. Today we can celebrate. We give respect to those who have come before us, those who helped build our nation, and we look to the future, hopeful and confident of what we can achieve. Thank you. May God bless you all, and may God bless Fiji. Naka.